How to generate Amazon affiliate link. To generate Amazon affiliate link, first go to Google and then search for Amazon Associate. After that, go to the amazon.amazon.com. Now first, make sure you are logged onto your Amazon Associate account. After that, on the top right, click on 3-bar icon. Now on the right section, you can see tools. Just click on that. After that, navigate on the side stripe. Now you can see learn more link. Just click on that link. Now it will redirect to this page, display settings. So just make sure its display status turned on. So after it's turned on, now go to Amazon. Now search for any product you want generate affiliate link. For example, I am going to generate this product affiliate link. So first click on that. Now this is the product and this is product title and product description. Now to generate Amazon affiliate link to this product, you can see on the top bar here you can see extra option generate link. Just click on that link. Now it will generate a new link. So this is the affiliate link. You can copy the full link, just click on full link, or you can make it short. After that, click on copy. That's how you can do that. Hope that this video help you out. See you in the next video.